Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm just going to be showing how to use this polygel. And before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on any videos. I've already prepped my nails, so here I am simply applying base gel to my nail, and then after that I'm going to let it cure for about 60 seconds. So now I'm going to take some of the gel and place it in a dual form. Before I did this, I made sure to measure all of my fingers beforehand. So just to let you guys know, make sure you measure your sizes and then go in with the polygel. As I pat down the gel, I use alcohol to help mold it. Also, you guys, this is my first time trying out polygel, so please bear with me. Here I am pushing down the form, making sure it's even on all sides, and I'm just going to use my brush to clean up the excess around it. And then after that, I'm gonna cure it for about 60 seconds. So after that's been cured, this is how it comes out. Now I'm gonna just take the form and wiggle it off of my finger. And this is how it comes out. So now I'm going to file them down to my liking. So now I'm going to take my coarse carbide bit and just file around the inside of the nail. Another thing I realized when putting on the gel is that you don't want to put too much on there, so that way you won't have to file so much off. So that is one thing to keep in mind. You know, I didn't have much to file off, but that is just something you guys want to take note of. So now that I am done with the filing and shaping, I'm going to take an alcohol wipe and just, not an alcohol wipe, I'm sorry guys. I'm just going to take some alcohol and rub it around my fingers just to get rid of all of that extra dust. I really like how this pink came out, so I just kept it cute and simple. So here's how the nails came out. They look so nice, you guys. I think I did pretty good for the first time. I'm definitely going to try this again. But if you guys like this kind of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, like, comment if you like more content like this, and stay tuned for my next video.